the Molly Patriot. Today, I'm going to bring you up to speed on a childhood fun thing. Remember when you were a kid, you're like, man, if I was a kid, I'd eat banana pudding every day. So, Kent, instant banana pudding. But that's not the deal. The deal is bananas. Organic whole milk. Whole milk because you want that nutrition. And of course, mini wafers. Now, let's do this. It's going to amaze you how fast this happens. I got to tell you, it was a surprise. So, we grab this packet of banana pudding. It's really interesting. This is ready faster than you can cook a hamburger. It's actually faster than you could probably heat up a can of Campbell's soup. So 2 cups of, let me confirm, 2 cups of milk. Pretty sure. Da-dee-da-dee-da. Yeah, 2 cups of milk. So pretty simple. 2 cups of milk. I've already sliced the bananas. Here we go. 2 cups of whole milk. And because I like to think I'm Julia Child, I always use a whisk. I whisk briskly whisking. And this is it. This stuff starts to thicken almost immediately. Anyway, 2 cups of, look at that. So, and then go ahead and get some bananas in there. 1 whole banana, reasonably ripe so it has banana flavor. And give it a stir. And just to make sure none of this powder is sticking to the bottom, I do like to use my little silicone spatula, but it's already thickening. Just that simple. Chef's prerogative, we get to lick the spoon. But that's it. And a little bit of this. Some of these sprinkled around. Half a cup, 1/4 cup, something like that. Well, half a cup. But all these are at Dollar General, Clover Valley. Although I got the organic milk at Walmart. But it's I prefer the Walmart. Surprisingly, I like the Walmart organic milk better than anybody's. Go figure. Unless you get some of the really good organic, which is hard to find anymore. They're all doing Horizons or derivatives thereof. You can look at them and they're all ultra pasteurized. This one is ultra pasteurized, but I've had good luck with it. But that's it. It's almost thick right there. I'll put it in the fridge in a half an hour. It'll be really thick. Banana pudding with vanilla wafers and bananas. Boom.